Okay, let's dive right in and get you set up with Claude Code, your new AI coding assistant.
The idea here is super simple. You just describe what you want, and Claude Code handles the rest.
So what is it exactly? Think of it as a coding partner that helps you build, debug, and automate.
And the cool part is you can use it pretty much everywhere, right inside your current workflow.
For this guide, we're going to focus on the fastest way to get going, right from the terminal.
All right, let's get it installed. First things first, just open up your favorite terminal.
Next up, you're just going to run one single command, and it does all the heavy lifting for you.
All right, here are the commands. Just grab the one for your OS, whether it's Mac, Linux, or Windows.
Seriously, just run that one line. In a few seconds, boom, it's installed on your machine.
Okay, so it's installed, but how do you actually run it? Well, it's super easy.
Go into any project folder, type Claude, and hit Enter. That's literally all you have to do.
Now, the very first time you run it, you'll have to log in, but after that, you're good to go.
And just like that, your new AI coding partner is ready. So what can you do now?
You can build features, squash bugs, automate tedious stuff like tests. It even does commits.
So, it's installed and ready for your command. The only question is, what will you build first?